Hello, 你好. Welcome back to Cantonese Chit Chat. Today we're going to learn how to say family and family members in Cantonese. We have specific words for each family member. Let's get started. We'll start with the word family. 家庭, 家庭. Family members. 屋企人, 屋企人. 屋企 means home. 人 means person or people. 屋企人, family members. Now let's talk about parents. 父母, 父母. 父 means father. 母 means mother. Together, 父母 means parents. Dad is 爸爸, 爸爸. Mom is 妈妈, 妈妈. Cantonese have different words for grandparents on your father's side and your mother's side. You call your grandpa, who is your dad's father, 爷爷, 爷爷. And you call your grandma, who is your dad's mother, 妈妈, 妈妈. Repeat after me. 爷爷, 妈妈. For your mom's parents, you call your grandpa, who is your mom's father, 公公, 公公. And you call your grandma, who is your mom's mother, 婆婆, 婆婆. Repeat after me. 公公, 婆婆. In Cantonese, we clearly say whether a sibling is older or younger. Older brother is 哥哥, 哥哥. Younger brother is 細佬, 細佬. There are two ways to say older sister. You can say 姐姐, 姐姐, or 家姐, 家姐. Younger sister is 妹妹, 妹妹. If you're referring to brothers and sisters or siblings, you can say 兄弟姊妹, 兄弟姊妹. If you're married, you can call your husband 老公, 老公, or your wife 老婆, 老婆. Now let's talk about children. 小朋友, 小朋友. 小朋友 means children or kids. Son, 仔, 仔. Daughter, 女, 女. Grandchildren, 孫, 孫. Grandson, 孫仔, 孫仔. Granddaughter, 孫女, 孫女. These are the most common family and family member words in Cantonese. Try practicing them with your family at home. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. 下次見